Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I've decided to put runners on the drawers as the wood sliding is just jamming and sticking, so the runners will make it more smoother. Because as you can see here, they're just scratching all the paint as well, so I think the runners will be the better choice. So that's the new sliders on, and I used the old drawer just to check it. So the main point of this was just to make sure that I could get the length right. So now that that's done, I'll just use this as a template. I'll make sure to bring it up and make sure it covers there. And what I'll do is I'll extend the faceplate over just till it obviously makes about here or here, just to cover that gap. And I'll do the same here. I'll just extend it just a wee bit, and I'll obviously paint that as well. The way it's going to work now is this is just going to be for like forks, knives and spoons, and this will be your utensils bit here. It works now, and that's the main thing. It's nice and solid as well, so it's not going to open when I'm driving, so that's good. Thanks again guys for tuning in, and if any of the videos have helped with the progress of your build, let me know in the comments and drop me a wee like. And if you want to see the rest of the build videos, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest video.
saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted.
So this is the new drawer. It's a lot more cleaner as well. So I'm just putting it in just to check the thickness, check the width, whatever, and just to make sure that it's getting out. So this would be its maximum coming out, and then going in.
I will always remember it.
I just need to do the front plate, paint it, cut these ends, and then that'll be it.
How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took it, took away my loneliness.
So that's a new drawer in. Some screws have come through there, but that's alright. I'm going to be putting a mat down anyway. And there's still plenty of space as well to open it. So I've got these liners and I put them in the drawer, but when I put them in they were curling up like this, so I used a hairdryer and the hairdryer managed to flatten them out. I seen in B&M's this liner, so I'm going to put this on top of that just to add as an extra bit of grippiness to stop everything sliding about. These are already cut, so I'm just going to cut that to the template. So the first bit, and then that goes in like that, and that's basically where the cutlery will go. Like that, the handle now on it as well. Job's a good one.